Hello, how are you? Today the question is x square minus y square is equal to 96. Xy is equal to 55. We have to find the value of x plus y. Please like and subscribe the channel and guide me in the comment section. Now, from equation 1, x square minus y square is equal to 96 by using formula. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Now x plus y, x minus y is equal to 96. Now taking square on both sides, then x plus y whole square, x minus y whole square is equal to 96 whole square. Then we open the square by using formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy, and in the same way x minus y whole square, x square plus y square minus 2xy is equal to 96 whole square. Now x square plus y square plus 2xy. The value of xy is given, which is 55. Here x square plus y square minus 2, 50, xy is equal to 55 is equal to 96 whole square. Now x square plus y square plus 110. Here x square plus y square minus 110 is equal to 96 whole square. Now here this is a, this is b, this is a, this is b. Then by using a plus b, a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. Then x square plus y square whole square minus 110 whole square is equal to 96 whole square. Now this becomes x square plus y square is equal to 96 whole square plus 110 whole square. Now x square plus y square is equal to 9216, which is square of 96, and 12100, which is square of 110. Now x square plus y square is equal to 21316. Now taking square root on both sides, then x square plus y square is equal to 96 square plus 110 whole square. X square plus y square whole square is equal to 9216 plus 12100. X square plus y square is equal to 21316. Now taking square root on both sides, x square plus y square whole square root is equal to square root of 21316. Then this is cancelled with this. X square plus y square is equal to 146. X square plus y square is equal to 146. Then, as we know, x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Then x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. Then x plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square is equal to 146 plus 2 into 55. Now x plus y whole square is equal to 146 plus 110. Now x plus y whole square is equal to 256. Then x plus y whole square is equal to 16 square, taking square root. Then x plus y is equal to plus minus 16, which is our answer. Thanks.